Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're going to do some powder coating today, something a little bit different than the normal VW stuff, but it is a VW part, so let's check it out. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to use the big oven because we don't really need to, and I've got this little household oven that we found on the side of the road and it works absolutely perfect, so we're just going to use that. And the parts that we're going to powder coat are these spring plates. Now these, if you know your splitty parts, are a stock rear spring plate off a splitty, but they've been slightly modified for a drop spindled front and straight axle beetle conversion in the rear. And what we do with these spring plates is we have to notch out this little section here. That little part there gets notched out, and that's just so that when you lower it, you're going to go up near the bump stop cradle metal part. And then obviously you have to put the beetle pattern in the rear of the spring plate. So how I do that, I just use a traced part off an actual beetle spring plate, which I have over here somewhere. Here it is. There's a beetle spring plate, and you can see it's got a weird bend in it, but that has the right end on it here. So all I do is just place that over the top of the splitty one, trace it out, and then it's a whole lot of die grinding and cutting and trying to notch out the holes. If you have a look at these holes, and I've just done those with the die grinder and a hole saw to get that radius right, and that's your adjustability in your rear toe in and toe out. These little concentric holes here, so you can move them in and out. So we've got these guys sandblasted and they have been rubbed down with acetone. All I'm going to do now is pop a flame on them just in case the lint has infiltrated the metal. So we'll just do that now. Righto, so we've got the oven set at 232 Celsius or 450 Fahrenheit, and we'll wait for that to get up to temperature. And these guys are now ready. We can actually apply the powder. We've just got some black gloss, and I'm just using the little mini hopper, just this one here. Hopefully that's enough powder, but I can always put a bit more in. So we'll just hook up the air, get the dosage right, and give these guys a couple of coats. Righto, I think we might just pop a tiny bit more in because I think there might be a couple of spots that are a bit dry. So we'll just do that now. Righto, so we've got them in the oven. Kind of hard to see, the oven light's not working in there, so I might have to do something about that, but you can kind of see them. We'll see how we go. Better wait about 20 minutes for them to bake, and then we'll see what the finished product looks like. Okay, 20 minutes is up. Let's open her up and we'll see how we did. Damn hot, I tell you. Holy. Okay, look at that. Nice. Very nice. A little bit thin around the top there, but that's all right. That's where the rubber donut's going to go on top. But the actual plate itself looks pretty damn good. Awesome. Another success. So we'll let these guys cool off, and then we'll have a better look at them. All right, so as you can see, we've got the spring plates in their spot, and hopefully we'll get a few years of good use out of them. And obviously we can run them a little bit lower as well if we need be with that notch in them. But they are all powder coated up and ready to go. So that's probably going to be it for today. And we will, while I'm underneath the bus here dying, we will catch you in the next video. So bye from me.